Cow manure is commonly used in gardening as an organic fertilizer. Manure has many functions such as a source of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. If you use too much fresh manure, you can burn your plants due to an oversupply of nutrients. Luckily, tomatoes are heavy feeders, hence your chances of burning them with manure. Is cow manure good for tomatoes? Cow manure is a great soil amendment. It has a lot of organic matter. However, if you want to use it for tomatoes, then you need to understand the nutrients and how they interact with one another. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is an essential nutrient for plant growth. It is a macronutrient and is needed by plants to make protein. Tomatoes are not like legumes and require nitrogen to be added to the soil. Legumes can fix their own atmospheric nitrogen using specific bacteria in their roots. Phosphorus. Phosphorus is a micronutrient and is needed by plants to make cell walls, DNA, enzymes, energy storage molecules, and other components of the cell. Phosphorus is available from rocks, soil, and manure. Weathered cow manure is an excellent source of phosphorus as cow diets are heavily supplemented with phosphorus normally in the form of licks. Potassium. This micronutrient helps control the water content in plants and also helps regulate plant growth. Potassium is abundant in the soil and is present in all living organisms. How much cow manure should you put in your tomatoes? The best way to use cow manure when growing tomatoes is by adding it to the soil before planting. Add a 5-gallon bucket of manure per square yard of soil. Be sure to keep some manure aside so you can add enough for a 1 to 2 inch layer to the top of the soil. This helps to protect the ground from drying out. If manure dries out, a lot of the nutrients become less available. Keeping the manure mulched increases its value to your plants. How to grow tomatoes outdoors using cow manure. When preparing your soil outdoors, add at least a 1 to 2 inch layer of cow manure to the soil. The manure will be decomposed by microorganisms and enriches the soil. It is recommended that you plant your seedlings or seeds in each hole after adding the manure. This will provide each tomato plant with enough nutrients to start it off. Manure is also a natural fertilizer that will help to keep your plants healthy and strong. Using cow manure as a fertilizer is an easy way to improve the health of your tomatoes. Other benefits of using cow manure for your garden. Soil structure. When applied to the soil, the manure helps to create a more stable structure for the soil. This makes the soil easier to work with. It also helps prevent erosion and helps plants to take root. Water retention. The manure provides a good amount of water holding capacity to the soil. It also helps the soil to be friable, meaning that it can easily be worked into the soil when it needs to be. Soil microbiology. Cow manure contains a healthy population of microbes from the cow's stomach. These tend to be beneficial to soil health. The manure also provides a powerful growth stimulant for various soil fungi that can rapidly grow in the soil, adding stability to your soil. Cow manure and mulch are important to rebuild soils. We recommend adding a large amount of manure to build the soil up over 5 to 8 years. After this, the soil becomes stable and needs less feeding. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.